this is Ojijo, and today I'm here in Thakur town of Thakur district in Bangladesh. I was born and brought up in the city. Now I'm going to try to explore the tiny town. So basically, I'm going to show you some places in my district town to represent my district town Thakur. What can be seen or what is their way from the circuit house to Chaurasta in my district town Thakur. In 1860, Thakur subdivision was formed under Dinajpur district. Thakur district was established in 1984. As we know, the distance from Dhaka to Thakur by road is about 459 kilometers. So I'll go to the first viewpoint in Thakur Circuit House in Thakur district. Our Thakur Circuit House is a great place. Here, if the state guests and high government officials come to visit our district, they get the opportunity to stay in our circuit house. Now I'm trying to focus on the inside of it. A few steps forward from Thakur Circuit House, we will find the office of the Additional Superintendent of Police and the Thakur Traffic Office. This is the office of the Additional Superintendent of Police. If you look opposite the Thakur Traffic Office, you will see the Department of Agriculture Extension. You can see the Diagnostic Center. I'm standing in front of it. People come to this Thakur Diagnostic Center for medical tests to diagnose their sickness. There are personal chambers for the doctors. Doctors treat patients in their chamber. This is the Sadak Bhavan of our district town. It repairs and maintains roads and bridges in our district. The main gate of the Sadak Bhavan office is very beautiful and eye-catching. Okay, so I'm in this place called Boromat. This is our Boromat. People of different ages come to this Boromat or Lachpil to spend their leisure time. Especially young boys come here in the afternoon to play football or cricket. As you can see, there are small paths around the field for walking. You can see the sidewalk. One side of the sidewalk has an iron railing and it is decorated with lighting. This sidewalk has enhanced the beauty of the main road in our town. As you can see, this is Primary Teachers Training Institute of our district. Here, primary teachers are trained under this PDI. There is Sorikhan Vidyalaya. I study in this school and it is my favorite school. Right now, I'm next to this Thakur Government Boys High School. This is Thakur Government Boys High School. It is the most prestigious school in our district. This school is established in 1904 and that school is 120 years old. This is the main gate of the Boromat. You can see that there is a Fuska stall and a Jalmuri stall in front of the main gate. Right now, I'm in this place named Amtoli, which is basically not far from Chaurasta. It is 3 minutes to reach Chaurasta from here. There are 4 showrooms on the both sides of the road here. Among them, the number of Jain showroom is more. There is a food hotel. I'm feeling quite tired and hungry as well. Let's go and eat something. Then I would like to order a shingara. Wow, it's very tasty. As you can see, there are showrooms of different brands of mobile phone on the roadside. Latest version mobile phones are available here. Currently, I'm standing at Thakur Chaurasta. It is heart of Thakur district town. There are some more shops around this Chaurasta, such as electronic shops, medicine shops, flax store shops, confectionery shops, mobile showrooms, flower shop, and etc. In front of me, you can see a traffic island. As you can observe that this is a flower shop. Various types of flowers are available here. People buy flower from this flower shop. If you visit our city, you can buy flower from this flower shop. This flower shop is located in the eastern side of the Chaurasta traffic island. This is a traffic island. We most often see that a traffic policeman stands here. He cleared the jam. Now I'm going to the traffic police uncle and I will show him some respect. Assalamualaikum uncle, how are you? Would you mind taking a bottle of water as a gift?
Thank you.
Thanks also for your service. Everyone is on the move. Some on motorcycles, some in rickshaws, some in cars, and some on foot. This is Thakur, the busiest city in Thakur district, Bangladesh. People come to this district from various places for their work purpose. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share and follow. Assalamu alaikum.